Well, the plan for this weekend, to get this road roughed in, stumps pulled out and kind of leveled out and graded, and then I'll be bringing down some trees just to get rid of them because they're going to be either problems or in the way. And then we're going to be cleaning up some brush, bucking up some wood, and then just more or less grooming the property, getting ready for the modular cabin that I plan on putting up here in the next month or so. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what I got done yesterday. Got the excavator in here, pulling stumps, kind of getting it flattened out. There's still some low spots where the stumps used to be. Kind of, when I drove in, kind of sunk down a bit. So, what I'll be doing in the future is getting loads of gravel in here and leveling it out, smoothing it out, making it easier to get a vehicle and a toy hauler in here for camping and stuff. All the debris on the side here I'll be eventually picking up and getting rid of. The stuff farther in the bush I'll just leave and let it rot, but I mean the stuff on the side here where it's fairly visible will be picked up and discarded. A little bit of it here, and I got to the point where I can get the truck in here anyway without any trouble. And it's been raining here the past day and a half, so the ground is pretty soft. So we all gotta get to landscaping this out a bit, smooth it out a bit more. Clearing us up this debris here, taking these two logs, gonna buck them up into splitting rounds, just stacking them. There's a snag right here I want to bring down. We'll be doing that today, and then stuff like that, right? This blowdown will be getting bucked up, and I believe there's a couple other logs in back here that I'm gonna, right there, we'll be getting rid of as well. Cleaning up all this debris. And there's my bucking pile right there. It's just a pile of logs I gathered up that I'll be bucking up as I get to it, sort of thing, right? Not really a priority right now. As you can see, it's coming along. It looks not very good right now. I still got to clean up a lot of this other stuff. Do that by hand. And then, like this area here, I'll be coming and smoothing out with hand tools and stuff like rakes and stuff. Got this area semi cleaned up. The excavator. Want to get in here and actually churn a lot of this up, level it out. There's still some high spots that I'd like to knock down. You can't really see them on the camera here, but get in here today and do a little bit of grading. There's a couple stumps back there that I'm going to pull up too, and then a few trees I'm knocking down today because they are in the way or going to potentially be problems in the future when I start getting stuff built here. This being one of them. It's coming down. Yeah, so here's the log pile. I'll be moving those from there over to here once I get it all kind of worked up and stuff like that. This poplar here's got to come down too. It's got a heavy lean to where the cabin's going to eventually be. Yeah, and then we'll be popping out some stumps here. Bit of a debris pile back there, but that's fine. It'll just sit there and rot over time. Not too concerned about that. I'm gonna thin out these spruce here a little bit to space them out. They'll grow up better. There's one poplar back here. It's starting to split big time, and it's gonna come down. Oh yeah, right there. I'm gonna bring it down too. Right there. Oh, there's quite a bit of debris here yet I gotta pick up. And right there, rotting down at the bottom. She's starting to split. So, Time to bring it down. Controlled matter. Yeah. Should shape up to be a good day. Getting the excavator warmed up here. Started up nicely. And we're going to be using it to move these logs. I dumped these after I felled that one spruce. Didn't see any point in recording it. Anyway, these are fallen and semi-bucked up. I just got to move them. And what I'm going to use these for is kind of dunnage for these logs here. Get them off the ground so I can peel them and let them season up. And that's going to happen right here. Yeah. So I'll get these logs moved. I'll get the ground kind of leveled up. And then place them. And then transfer those logs onto the dunnage. have some progress so far. Cleaning up the rest of that brush from those two poplars that I fell. It's coming along. Got a little bit of grading to do. Making a bit of a mess here, but it's all part of it, right? It's gonna churn that up anyway. Get it dug up so we can start working it. And then gonna lay out the dunnage and transfer logs over. But in the meantime, it's break time, so I'm gonna have a snack.